In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize all images to the same size in PowerPoint, allowing for a consistent and polished presentation. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting or a class project, having uniformly sized images can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of your slides. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll first want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're accessing the correct file with all the images you want to adjust by navigating to your saved PowerPoint presentation. Now that you have your presentation open, locate the specific slide where your images are positioned. Once you're on the appropriate slide, you'll want to select all the images simultaneously. To do this quickly and efficiently, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This shortcut will select everything on your slide, making it much easier to handle multiple images in one go. Next, it's crucial to press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. By holding down the Shift key, you ensure that the proportions of the images are maintained while resizing. This step is important to prevent distortion and to keep each image looking neat and professional. Now, with the Shift key still held down, you'll want to resize one of the selected images. Click and drag one of the corner handles of your image to adjust its size to your desired dimensions. As you resize this single image, you'll notice that all other selected images automatically adjust to match the new size. This feature is particularly handy as it eliminates the need to resize each image individually, saving you time and effort. It's worth noting that maintaining a consistent image size across your slides contributes to a cohesive and streamlined presentation. It helps in keeping the audience focused on your content rather than getting distracted by varying image sizes. Additionally, if your images contain any text, uniform sizing ensures that the text remains legible and clear throughout. To recap, by selecting all images and resizing one while holding down the Shift key, you can achieve a uniform image size across your slide. This technique is not only efficient but also contributes greatly to the visual appeal of your presentation. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to resize all images to the same size in PowerPoint. This technique helps you maintain control over the aesthetic quality of your slides, ensuring that your presentation is both professional and visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy presenting!